This video's title says, one reason why I'm buying Ethereum with all my money. This is actually a sequel to the video I made on 4 reasons why you should start buying Ethereum. All the reasons are centered around the merge, but there is one reason I did not mention in the last video that will literally make Ethereum the most valuable cryptocurrency, even bigger than Bitcoin. You're going to learn that in this video, and also the best exchanges to start buying Ethereum. So subscribe and pin the bell icon if you have not, and let's get to this video. Before I start, there is a disclaimer here. The knowledge I share in this video is not financial advice. I only share my crypto journey and what I do. So do your own research before making an investment. In my video on 4 reasons why you should start buying Ethereum, I mentioned these reasons as a result of the merge, and they include triple halving, increased staking APY, reduction in energy consumption, and that Ethereum will become deflationary. You should go and watch that video. And guys, Ethereum is a network. Ether, or ETH, like some people call it, is the name of a coin. So let us use the right term in this video. The reason why I'm going all in on Ether is the change in the fundamentals of Ethereum. So you understand this, let's quickly build some foundations in the next 2 minutes, and this includes the merge, economic theories of supply and demand and how it affects price, Ether stability, and the fundamental shift that will make Ether more valuable than any other crypto. Let's start with the merge. Ethereum currently runs on proof of work consensus mechanism. The merge is a date and time it will move from proof of work to proof of stake consensus mechanism. If you don't know what this is, I made a well-detailed video on proof of work versus proof of stake. Go and watch that video, it will become so clear to you. Again, the day this will happen is called the merge. A lot of tests have been done, and the final test is slated for this August. Looking at the economic theories of supply and demand and how it affects price. Through economics, we know that when supply exceeds demand, the price of the asset goes down. And when demand exceeds supply, the price of the asset goes up. So for a crypto asset to go up in price, it means that there are more people buying it than those selling it. ETH stability. What I want to establish here is sell pressure on Ethereum. Let's start with vesting. Every coin has some form of vesting, either coded into the smart contract or structural or both. For that coded into the smart contract, let's say you bought a coin at the pre-sale and you are told that you cannot get all the coins at once. Every month or week or day, a portion is released to you, maybe over a year. The selling pressure comes each time the coin is released and people want to sell. For the structural vesting, you have all the coin and you want to sell it in bits only when the coin rises in price. Ethereum was launched in 2015. It has no coded in vesting. And since it has been 7 years ago, it is safe to say that all the sell pressure from the structural vesting of those that bought at the ICO is gone. And the buy pressure has increased because of the numerous utility of the Ethereum network. But there is one major sell pressure Ether and all the proof of work blockchain has, which is the sell pressure from miners. Miners consumes lots of electricity to mine Ethereum, and they have to sell a good portion of the Ethereum they mined to pay for expenses including electricity, hardware, and maintenance. About 15,000 Ether are mined per day, and miners sell about 10,000 Ether each day to pay for their expenses. Now this is a lot. This means that if the price of Ether was $100, miners will be selling 100 times 1,000, which is $1 million worth of Ether each day. And buyers will have to buy $1 million worth of Ether each day to stop the price from going down. If the buyer buys more than this, then the price will start going up. I hope you're getting this. Now, what if the price of Ether is $1,000? We're looking at $10 million worth of Ether per day to maintain equilibrium. As at the time of making this video, the price of ETH is $1,700. Again, that is $17 million from buyers to stop the price of ETH from going down. Now, Ether's price has been able to maintain equilibrium because there are several dApps on Ethereum's network. People need to buy Ether to pay for gas to interact with these dApps, and so this has mainly helped to absorb the sell pressure. Now here is where the game changes with Ethereum's new fundamentals. After the merge, there will not be miners anymore, only validators. Ethereum's energy consumption will be reduced by 99%. The number of Ether issued per day is also reduced by 90%. That is a reduction from about 15,000 ETH to about 1,500 ETH. And this goes mainly to stakers, which everyone can become a part of. The number of ETH in circulation will also be reduced by 1 million Ether per year because of the EIP 1559 upgrade. You should read about it. Now, let me rephrase what I said earlier. This will help us to put all these things together. The price of Ether today is $1,700. Miners will sell 10,000 Ether per day for maintenance. This means that buyers will have to buy $17 million worth of Ether today to stop the price from going down, which they have been doing successfully. After the merge, the sell pressure is off because there are no more miners. But buyers are still buying $17 million worth of Ether per day. This means that we will need sellers willing to sell $17 million worth of Ether per day to stop the price from going up. And they do not exist after the merge. So there is nothing stopping Ethereum, Ether, from going up in price. This is one practical reason why a lot of people believe that the market cap of Ethereum's Ether would exceed that of Bitcoin a few months after the merge. The final test of this merge is happening this August, and the merge is expected to take place in September. So you can see that this is a strong reason to buy Ethereum. The best exchanges to buy ETH at the best price include OKX, Binance, BitGet. I'll leave the link to create an account with these exchanges in the description box. Make sure you use those links to sign up. However, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always make your own research. Now, when you click on the thumbs up button in this video, Google realizes that the video has value and show it to more people, which helps grow the channel and encourages me and my team to make more videos like this because we know you like it. So give this video a like, subscribe if you have not, because I have a massive giveaway at 100k subscribers, and click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of my contents. I will see you guys in the next video.